Alamin natin guys kung paano magluto ng Egyptian food, okay? Hindi siya bitsawin, habibi. Mousaaka. This food is Mousaaka. Arabic food, yeah?
Yeah, Egypt.
Egyptian food. Okay, this is Egyptian food. Lots of onion. Garlic and ginger. Tumo basal, shu. Tum, janjabil, ubasal. Okay? Onion, garlic, and ginger. Oh!
Curry.
Curry powder. A little bit more.
Black pepper.
And black pepper. Oh, black pepper. Sure. Cumin. Cumin powder. Then add turmeric.
Paprika.
Paprika here. Okay. Paprika. Oregano. Oh. Akil Masri?
Yeah.
Egyptian food.
No. Yeah, Egypt. Oregano.
Oregano.
Akin yung MAGGI. Akin yung salsa. Akin yung salsa sa lahat. Akin na. MAGGI. MAGGI po.
Ayan. Nor cubes. Chicken nor cubes, right? Let me show you. This one. Shuhada.
Tomato.
Tomato. Fresh tomato. And this one. A little bit. 1 spoon. 2 spoon. 1 spoon. That's too much for and the big spoon. Oh, this one. Okay, guys, the sauce is finished. This is Egyptian food. They call it Mousaaka, and then after that, we will put the fried potato and eggplant. Okay, let me taste this. Delicious. Guys, try this one at home. Especially sa mga Pilipino dyan, subukan nyo to, madali lang at masarap. You are good cook, Halim. Mashallah. Only little show. Okay guys, ayan, hintayin na lang natin na matuyuan siya ng sabaw at pwede na natin siyang i-serve. Tulad nito, pag ganito na yung itsura niya, kapag natuyuan na siya, pwede na siyang i-serve. So, sana nagustuhan nyo ang Egyptian food nito, Mousaaka. So, thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.